Hi everyone. I wanted to talk about some of the new content that we're coming up with at AppSecEngineer that I think is going to be very, very important for your engineering teams and for your own development teams. We've been extremely busy through the holidays in January, so we've actually released more than 50 courses in the secure coding path. In fact, we've released courses from different languages like Java, Kotlin, Swift, and so on. We have seen a tremendous increase in the number of courses that we have. Outside of this, I want to talk about some content that's very specific to engineering teams and very specific to solving certain type of challenges that engineering teams face today. Let me start off with the first one, which is C and C programming in general. A lot of teams today are not only creating web applications, but they're also creating a lot of programs that they have to support either through legacy or even current programs that are written in C. And C, as you well know, is a very tough language to master in terms of security because of its innate problems with you having to manage memory and that leading to a whole bunch of exploits and memory related bugs. In fact, some of the biggest CVEs, even or vulnerabilities, even in the year 2025, happen to be because of memory related issues. So we released our first course in the C programming language side, which is memory corruption, attack and defense. This is a very interesting course that focuses on memory corruption issues, basically with vulnerabilities in the memory corruption space, as well as the defense against those issues. So we're looking at stack buffer overflow, heap overflow, use after free, double free, and so on. And all of this, as always, in typical AppSecEngineer style, has a bunch of labs. And this is going to be our first foray into memory or C related security. You're going to see several more courses launch in the matter of the next couple of months itself around C. So this is something new from us because we realize that your organization is building firmware, they're building libraries, they're building a whole bunch of things that need you to understand this stuff and your developers to understand this stuff. So we have introduced a whole bunch of very, very engaging courses as well as labs around C and C security related issues. And we're also doing this with C++ very shortly. Outside of this, I want to talk about our new learning path that has taken our customers by storm, which is our Gen AI and LLM security learning path. Now, this has been a huge uptick for our customers because any team that I see is building new applications which are LLM enabled and Gen AI enabled. And we have already released 5 courses in this, and we are going to be releasing another 4 or 5 more courses in the subject. Each of them have not only attack related focus, which everyone seems to be talking about with Gen AI, but for the first time in the history of online training, you see defense in Gen AI and LLM security. So in fact, if you see this course, for instance, you will see that we essentially have labs around how you can perform model and data poisoning and how you can defend against it. And we also have courses relating to agents, AI agents, and how they can be attacked and how you can apply different types of defenses to protect them against excessive agency and other vulnerabilities that affect AI agents. So this is really going to be a game changer for your teams because your developers understanding this is the first line of defense that you have to prevent against AI issues that are happening in your organization. And AI is something that you are likely already building quite extensively. So I really encourage you to take a look at all of this stuff because this is new and we're constantly expanding on this particular type of content. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy all of the new updates from us. Like I said, over Jan and Feb, we've released more than 50 courses. And I just wanted to highlight some of the key things that we've done in this time frame. Thank you so much. And I look forward to hearing from you.